Hello everyone, here is my latest project here in Albufeira, Portugal. Here we had a old sliding door that was only opening halfway, so you could only use half the opening. So thanks to the superior product that we have here from Fenster und Türen, we have a much nicer system now. You can also open this half door, and now you have a big wide opening instead of just one sliding door. Here it is how it looks from the outside. I have yet to finish it with some nice exterior and interior trim, but overall I'm very satisfied with this. I'll show you how it closes. And just still like that and just solid. I actually slept much better last night. There was less noise. It was the first time that I slept 7 hours through the night. This is the other door in the living room. Again, Schüco. Same thing here. I had a sliding door that would only open halfway. Now, system where you have French doors, so you can actually open the whole thing now. Look how nice and generous that is. You can now take advantage of this beautiful weather we have here in Portugal. You can open the windows wide and let that breeze come in. Here we installed a fixed window here, since there's no balcony down below and we didn't want to create any hazards. So we have fixed window, half, and we have outside opening windows. Unfortunately, the handle got lost in transport. The box got all wet and the contents spilled out. So now we're waiting on so now you can see how this locks. And then if I had the handle here, I would pull it in and lock it in. So unfortunately, we now have to wait for another handle. But overall, very happy with this product. Thank you for watching. Bye.